All right, hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmonsessentials. I want to bring you another original design. Let's go ahead and zoom this in a bit so you can see it. This is the Uppercut Wreath knot. Let's go ahead and get started. So this is my left side, and the belt is going to be at my belt line, and then I'm just going to kind of raise it up just a little bit. I'm going to fold it like this. All right, so I'm just going to fold it to where it looks like this. Then I'm going to come underneath here like this with the skinny end. I'm going to come over. I'm going to come back around like this, and I'm going to do that. So this kind of secures it in place. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to now start doing my wreath. And I'm going to come around like this. Do another wreath around like this. Do another wreath and go underneath here. And then come across underneath like this. And then my tie is just folding in half, so that's how I'm gonna end it. Actually, I just pulled it up there. So now let me put my here's the uppercut wreath. Got a lot going there. And that first fold up that I've seen Boris Mocha use that a lot, so shout out to him for that. So the tie is going to be a bit short, so it's just an uppercut wreath knot. Kind of looks like a wreath, a boxing glove wreath kind of. So own your style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch you in the next tutorial video for Simmonsessentials. Peace and God bless.